Ordinary facial features, flat face makeup, big eyes, and thin wife. I want to wear so dry and light makeup in spring and summer. Accidentally show dirty makeup. Then you must come and try. Fix this. Huge, simple, and photogenic eye makeup. Effectively adjust the proportion of facial features. And no need to stick eyelashes. Overall very elegant and generous. Even beginners can easily get started. Here, how is this makeup today? Personally, I think it is very suitable for normal times. Like Sunday in my spare time. I went to deceive the small coffee shop and took a picture. I went to deceive the small coffee shop and to deceive the small coffee shop and took a picture. Spray twice more. Don't stack other things anymore. If you are in a hurry to go out, I won't put too much effort into base makeup. Then just use your fingers, use the pulp of your fingers. So here in our dark circles. Correct this dark circle a little bit. You synchronize this lip. The lip hair is a little blue here. You bring him some redness. Just use this one with a little greenish. Because it's not just redness here, and a little bit small. There are spots that can enter the animal on the suppression. Put it on a little bit and then we will base makeup. Quick, use an air cushion. But you have to be a little bit introverted. Then come to the face again. Then go to the face to shoot. Finally, go to the edge line on the side of the face. Mainly to brighten. Improve our facial toughness? Slightly like this side of the face. You just follow this clear shape. Just click on such a small amount. Here I will put the center axis of my face. Bring all the lines here. In our words, in fact, the bones in the whole face will not develop so well. Just pat it. Like the position of our broad face. I'll hit a few. It's probably below the second half of the eye. Put on a vertical blush. Here I will put the whole Aegyo-saliva. Lower eyelid and end of eye. Extraorbital C is metabolized in this place. The nose is slightly metabolized here. Then trim. Then trim. Like our big nose. The main thing is to shrink the nose. Cut the nose horizontally underneath. The turning point of the nose is slightly inward, so light. We draw a figure 8 tilted up. And here we're standing upright like this. Add another good 3. Slightly strengthen the eye socket. This nib. It can especially increase our eyebrows. Thing. I feel like the eyebrow bone is closed at once. The cheekbones are slightly removed. You go and exhale first. See if this position has not fainted yet. Just feel the shape of this nose. He's already out. Not as dull as before. Setting makeup or just setting our eyebrows and face makeup. Reflection here? Okay, the main style of this makeup. It must still be reflected in this eyebrow and eye makeup. Still heavily structured science scratching flu eyebrows. We'd better draw a softer fog. Silky eyebrows. Still use eyebrow powder first. Fill in our brow ridges. The tail of the eyebrow is flattened back like this. Then extend it back a little bit. Those like us have more open eyes. Let's rub our eyebrows a little bit forward. Still using a machete eyebrow pencil. We're going to fill it up a little bit with a little bit of fluffy flu. Make this eyebrow look more vivid. But furry. I feel like my eyebrows are naturally thicker. But sometimes I do this little makeup thing. Like myself, the eyebrows are a little gray and dirty. This color will be a little miscellaneous and look a little isolated. I will still use this 07 at this time. He's a little more of this apricot brown. That eyebrow cream runs down my hair like this. So shallow. Bring him. Look at this color again, right? It's even in an instant. Then do it again. Look at his color. Is it even? And it dries very well. Just brought a little bit of us. The fusion of this tone on the whole face. Then compare. We naturally need this hair color to be a little lighter. If it is too light, it will improve the complexion. So sometimes makeup feels like painting. If it's not very foreign, then it is recommended to fix this eyebrow dye cream. Eyeshadow, that's not the point. We start with a base color. Give us eyelid tiling first. Make the color of the upper eyelids cleaner. Use another outline color. The area where the end of the eye is thrown with the left eye. The entire inner double eyelid. Right in the middle of the eyelids, press it down here too. Not in smudge. The buttocks go over our lower eyelids. This can be slightly bigger. Wrap our Aegyo-saliva in it. And then the shadows. Then stick it to the root of our eyelashes. A little bit of hierarchy. The lower eyelid is also fixed with a timing belt. And we can see. And the inside of the eye socket. Next, we still need to put on the double eyelid sticker. I want to see a double eyelid sticker that is super good. Then draw eyeliner. Let's use a more handy eyeliner. Glue pen this more natural brown color. Let's draw one of those straight. Just pull the eyeliner flat, mainly by magnifying our eyes laterally. Follow the root of our eyelashes first. Rub the color on it little by little. Fill out the inner eyeliner. What about the outer eyeliner? Let's start at the end of our eyes. Pull a short line backwards. Then connect it back to the highest point of our upper eyelid. Draw a very smooth, the flat eyeliner and tail that extend backwards. The sharp tips can be slightly slippery with your nails. Give him a sense of extension. The edge of the eyeliner. We still use a small detail brush like this. Dip in dark. Stick to him on top of him. Can you see it clearly? Check out this eyeliner. There will be a natural blurring around the edge. This soft fog, it's like an eye-opener. Lower limbs. Aegyo-sal is the difficulty of being a novice. Here's a cheat tip for you. Find one in this muted shade. Low saturation. This eyeliner pen in apricot brown? This color is amazing. It has to be something really silky and smooth. You just don't need any tricks. Does he have a flat head? You stand it up. So we're going down this lower eyelid. Let's give him a lap. Because our lower limbs need thickness, then you put it horizontally in the first half of the eye. Sketch him on our lower eye roll. It can be very silky and very smooth. This looks like a mole. Is it directly molded into one stroke? This naturally soft lower limb is faint. And you can see he's just like that. You were born and raised yourself. Your whole eye. It's all blown up one full circle. This thing. I suddenly felt that if I could cheat, there is absolutely no need to use eyeshadow anymore. Rub it with your own hands. Just as simple and fast. Definitely the light of the lower limbs. And our eyes. It is also possible. Use it to go straight forward like this and extend it a little bit. Then buckle another pack of left and right lower eyelashes for it. The corners of the eyes are straight and the eyes are open directly with 2 strokes. Aegyo-saliva eye cream. It only needs to be in the weakest part of our eye makeup. Draw a little short line. Then hurry up while he's not a demon. Let before and after. Just smudge it open. This can be made up a little bit. This color is really cool. Close is the real sensuality. You can see the whole Aegyo-saliva. Shiazi vest in hand. While the whole eye is different. Do it horizontally or vertically. Zoom in on the whole 4 weeks. And this is slightly reddish. It's very, very atmospheric. And then we use pearlescent. Brighten up our Aegyo-saliva a little bit. Eyes too. Let's bring it up a little bit in the back. The invisible design is really, really beautiful. Feels like the proportions of the entire facial features are more consistent. If it is harmonized, we will not stick eyelashes. Let's curl our eyelashes first. After the smirk, we use a naturally slender mascara. Brush up from the root. Brush out this comparison just to invent it a little bit. Then the head and tail of the eyes are relatively sparse places. You can brush him twice more. His increased efficiency. I think it's still quite objective. Just brushed it out. There is a kind of... Eyelashes are naturally longer, so this kind of agility? I think it looks more industrious with false eyelashes. Now these glasses can be said to be all round. Much like the sauce is enlarged. In fact, the makeup is really not heavy, but it's true. Very photogenic. I can. Next is our lip makeup. You were using the eyeliner watch just now. You first twist the corner of your mouth a little bit up. It can be decorated or deepened a little bit. Just smudge it a little bit. Then use blush. Extend the entire lip line slightly outward. Lower lip. The whole thing is also expanding down a little bit. Look at our current lip shape. Is it better than this one just now? The volume of the lip should be a whole big circle. After the facial features get bigger, we leave our faces blank. After the introduction, the face looks much smaller. And then some highlights at the end. Then lipstick, let's come. Paint a more versatile one. Make with boiled water. This is in essence lip glaze. If painted like this, you can see that the mouth is in better condition. And it won't rob our other makeup powder buckets. Generally, it is a simple thing coating first and then apply a little more on the inside of the lower lip. A little bit of this gradual change and the feeling of biting the lip. There's a glossy side. At present, the whole mouth feels very light and pouty. mainly because it's not sticky at all. It seems that this lip is in very good condition. The whole thing is naked, but it also enhances the feeling of complexion. Okay, this makeup has been applied. Take a look at the one that hasn't been styled yet. This is the effect. Is this makeup? Isn't it very, very clean? The whole person seems clear.